Steven. We're at Donut Derelicts walking around with this gentleman again. We're walking down the aisle of Corvettes. I do like the new Z06.
I do too.
Pretty damn nice. This is not a Z06. I think it's actually Grand Sport. I haven't seen a Grand Sport yet.
Like Batman in the car.
Yes. Next one's Z06. I have not seen a Grand Sport yet. Huh.
I was kind of bummed about that, but everything else, build the engine on Tuesday, watch the car be built on Wednesday, finished up.
Corvette next to it. This is pretty nice.
Beautiful.
Wow, that thing's like really polished out and nice, isn't it? The blacked out valve covers.
Yeah, I kind of dig it. I like how everything underneath is matte.
Yeah. What's the inside look like? It's really nice. The black and red combo looks good too.
Yeah, me too. I'd like to try taking the black and red on the inside.
Yeah, that would have been cool. Pretty darn nice. Yeah. Yeah, he drives it to a little thing over here. Yeah, he has a little trailer for it. No.
They are black. They are really fun.
Yeah.
Now I gotta go for my diminished value.
I'm sorry you had to have so much anxiety.
David, good morning. We're in Huntington Beach, California at Adams Ave Donuts every Saturday morning. Other people bring classics and strange things like this. What class are these? Oh, Legends. Yeah. Yeah, last time I saw he had a trailer that he brings for it. It's like over there. Yeah, exactly. The rat rod guy hasn't found a spot yet. Just right there. Right there. Sounds good. Oh, cool. Is it leaving? gas, sir? I think you should start driving this to work every day.
I don't think so. But
What?
it's like a spine breaker. Look inside. My back hurts just trying to look at the movie, trying to get it. Cool car.
This isn't you?
You sure? Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
14 years old.
Nice.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Race car.
Yeah. Yeah. That thing. Look at how fat, look at how wide the rear tires are in that thing. Jesus Christmas. Wow. It's the Buick Grand Firebird. Right. Dana says she likes these. I told her to go fuck herself. The fucking econo van.
Oh, God.
I was like, yeah. Or Scooby-Doo. Right. Those are the only two. Those might overlap a little bit too.
Think so? Yeah.
I'll get out of your way. You got it.
Corvette's hanging all over the front of that one.
Yeah, that's really nice. You just hit him and I got it on video too. Just fucking with you. Nice truck.
Yeah, thanks.
That's a cool color.
Yeah, it's something like what you don't see people do a lot.
Yeah. So is this a core?
One of those ones that have like 11 names in the same car. Coronet, Duster.
Yeah. Cornet? Yeah. I think it's a small car.
Truck had a better octane.
That's true. Yeah, the guy standing would be better, huh? That would have been a better spot. Well, I hope so, because his car.
I wouldn't think of that, exactly.
Do you see the inside of this thing too? It's got like the little gauge pods and stuff.
Right.
Got the 57 stuff on the top. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
It's doing online poll.
I think it was, I want to say it's like $25,000 on Craigslist. Well, ask him. There you go. What do you think? Yes to the rat rod or no to the rat rod? I don't know. Kind of a different. So you don't at all. Jiminy Christmas, the tires on the thing are fucking crazy. Holy shit. Alright, let's go do a tire check. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly.
Used to be my race car.
Yeah.
It's a fully dubbed car.
We saw that. Somebody commented.
That's my old race car. I put that to a street car.
That's debatable.
Well, I used to be on the track.
Well, that's a good idea.
Damn, the
Took it off the shower.
That rear tire is just plain ridiculous.
The meetings will continue on Monday.
It's pretty damn clean.
Yeah. Very understated.
Yeah. Very cool. Beautiful car. This is with a completely ridiculous rear tire. Yeah. Yeah, you could not notice it if you walked by.
Right.
You're like, oh, it's Camaro.
But it's hard to get out. That's the problem. A lot of air will go in, but nothing. You gotta get
Everybody said this is a 69, is that right?
out. It is.
Okay. The overwhelming comment was, that's a sweet car, but the wheels look like shit.
What's that?
That's a beautiful car, but the wheels look like shit.
Yeah, and I like the dish out.
Yeah.
Like the negative dish. They look stupid.
Yeah. Let's say it's not a nice car, but you know, I think that was the overwhelming consensus for the comments that I got was, cool car, what the fuck is going on with these wheels?
Yeah,
Yeah, I really like this car. I see this car a lot.
Which one is one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
It's nice. I think it's really nice. Very nice car. And it's cool 'cause it's got like the black.
It's a well understated car.
Yeah, it's got like the black steely wheels on it.
Right. No, I got it.
Yeah, me too. Me too. Riviera still looking for a spot. You big Riviera fan? Nah. Explain to me what that means.
Very lowrider crowd.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes yes and sometimes no. I mean, but yes,
Either the original owner. Or it's a,
traditionally yes.
It's a heavy metal flake lowrider crowd.
Yeah, that's true. We got a 4-door Nova wagon. There was a 2-door over there, I think, too, right?
Where's that?
I thought, was it one of those a 2-door? No, not that one.
Oh, 201. The one over there?
I thought so.
That's blue. I don't know if it's 2 or not.
I thought so. I could be wrong. Let's go look. The what? Yeah, a high boy.
Yeah.
Hi, boy. Almost. Yeah. I'm gonna go back this way so I don't get it. There's this very small dog in there. Wasn't this one a two-door? I thought it was. Oh no, it's not. I'm sorry. I thought it was a two-door.
They made Novas a two-door line.
I feel like they did, but I have been wrong on several occasions, so I don't know. I do like that sand color one. That's one of my favorites.
Don't wake me up.
Yeah.
Where she live?
So, which she runs. She's like one of the family members of Adams Ave. So, they're like, yeah. But she's like,
Oh, look at this thing. Wow. That's nice. Wow. There's a lot of work in this thing. This is just an Apache, right? Top's chopped a little bit. Bed trays. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, it looks really nice. Wow. A lot of work went into that thing. Right.
Shitty blanket interior or something like that.
Yeah. Well, I think some of that's on purpose, but not always. You're right.
We got four French headlights, two
that's
French
a fine ride truck, ain't it? Man.
Yeah, it's really nice. That's the look that I would have given. Just sheer panic. He's up there. Yeah. Yeah, his car's at the end of this row right here. Yeah.
That looks like a Dennis I'm not gonna get you better. Got there for
Yeah.
a week. We're home 2 days, and we just.
The
got
only
back
thing
from
that's
Adams
hard
Ave.
for me is I need like 2 other people because I have to do both of those, and then I want to take pictures too. But by the time like I get to take a couple pictures, it's like, oh, we're out here. Then I like try to post stuff later. I'm like, I don't have any fucking pictures.
Right. You can screenshot the.
I can, but it doesn't look as good.
Right.
Screenshot the video, you mean?
Can't you just go in and pick the sections out of the video?
Yeah, I can. It's not that sophisticated, man. Just making it up.
Drafts.
Well, it's funny because, yeah. That's why I figured like the podcast thing, like to videotape them, and they're,
Right.
Tony is like, well, it doesn't look visually appealing. Hey, good morning. It doesn't look visually appealing. I'm like, I'm trying to think of like Gary Vaynerchuk's status. He's like, dude, the first episode of Wine Library looked like I was a hostage in a terrorist basement. Is it? Yeah, yeah. I'm trying to see more of these now too.
Yeah.
Because these are 20 years old now too, right? No. People still rolling in. It's pretty busy still. Yeah, I still want one of those too. Yeah, that one's cool. Yes, it sure does, Randy. It sure does. This is pretty darn nice. I don't think I saw this. Is this just a Biscayne?
Back, right?
Yeah. It's not an Impala, right?
The hell they call it? It's not a Biscayne. It's Oldsmobile.
Oh.
Or Oldsmobile. I don't know what the brand or the name was. It's the Oldsmobile version of the Impala.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's an Oldsmobile Impala, right?
But,
Huh. Here's a Riviera. It's pretty nice.
Rivieras actually came. They come whenever you buy them, even used. They come with side pipes.
Oh, do they? Do they come with side pipes like this automatically too? Yeah, seriously. When we first got here, it wasn't that bad, but it filled up pretty fast.
Some of the better turnout.
Yeah, that's true. Almost 7. I think the Chevelle might be leaving. Oh, is it all right? I think it's Mike's car. I think. Yeah. The railroad guy might be moving to his spot. You're seeing those turn into projects now too because they're so cheap.
Right.
That funny,
That weird
body
funny
style.
here.
Yeah.
That C3.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
At least that can be did.
I don't know what year was that. That was like mid 70s, right? Is it? Okay.
Smoggy Corvette.
I have never seen one of these Dodge trucks before. That's different. Different, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. I was debating.
Yeah, there's a lot. I really like the new SS Camaro. I think they look really nice. Hey, what up? Good morning, kiddo. It's pretty cold this morning, huh? Yeah.
It took me an hour to get home.
That was Tana.
Huh?
That was Dana.
Oh, you usually have a hat on.
Yeah. Yep. And he wasn't screaming. So
Right.
All right. Well, I think that's it for today. Take a couple pictures and get Randy a donut and shut the fuck up.